It's now the Lora sending and receiving the message. So we have a arduino Lora shield module. We can use this with an Arduino, and before we start using this, we have to know the frequency used by this module. So it's already checked in the back side that it's used 433 megahertz. Maybe you can use another frequency for another Lora, and you can check on the bottom side like this. So to communicate, we need at least 2 Lora and 2 Arduino. And now we can start attach the Lora shield to the Arduino. You can attach just by press the Lora shield to the Arduino, just like this. Make sure that every pin is connected to the Arduino. So you can press gently, and yes, it's already connected, and do the same for the other Arduino. Now we can plug the USB cable to the Arduino, and after that we can start programming the Arduino and the Lora shield. Before we start to program the Arduino, make sure that the Lora shield is already turned on by looking at the corner, and it should be a yellow LED is already light up like this. Yeah, it's on the corner. The yellow LED is light up. So before we continue the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell to this channel to make us more enthusiastic to make another tutorial video. Okay, now we can start the programming by open the Arduino IDE. So in this program we will make 2 programs. The first is for the client or the sender, and the second is for the server or the receiver. But we can make the program is bidirectional, so you can send and receive at the same time. Okay, we make the client or the sender first. You can copy the program in the link description below. So before make the program, we have to edit the frequency of the Lora in the library. This is important because if you not edit the frequency, you won't be able to use this Lora. Okay, so you need to find your library, open the Radiohead library, and if you didn't have one, you have to download the library first. You can also download the library in the link below. Okay, you have to search for the rh95.cpp and find the function named set frequency. So I will search the set frequency. I already find it, and change according to your Lora frequency. So it's 433.0, and then save the file. After you save the file, you can continue to make the program. I already make the client program in the description below, you can copy. And before that, make sure your COM is the one Arduino for the client or for the sender, because now we have two Arduino, so you have to make one as the client and one as the server. So this is my program, and you can send anything to the server, and this is the tag that we want to send to the server. Hello, I'm from Lora. Okay, you can edit everything you want, but in this sample we have just to use the "Hi, I'm from Lora." Now we can upload this program and save the name first. You can save the name with anything you want. Okay, it's uploading now. It's take a long time to upload to an Arduino. It's done uploading. Now we can test by open the serial monitor. So this is happen if your server is already turned on, but in this tutorial I will just turn off the server first, so the server should be not replay our message. Okay, I'll upload the blank for the server, so the server is not replay. Okay, and I will open another Arduino instance, so you can make sure that the another Arduino is uploading in another COM, because if we are not open another Arduino IDE, we can not use the different COM to upload to different Arduino. Okay, see, this is happen when the server is not ready. So I already disconnect the server, and we can now try program the server. Okay, I open the another Arduino IDE so that the COM port is different from the first. If you are not open another Arduino IDE and just click new file, you will not able to upload to different COM port. So now we have two Arduino IDE. The left side is for the client and the right side is for the server. So I already make this program, and this is what will we send back to the client. Hello, back to you. And make sure that we choose the different COM port. So for the client it's COM5, so for the server it should be different. Now we can upload the sketch and save the program. after the server is done uploading, we can now check the serial monitor and see what happened. So in the serial monitor of the server, we will get the message from the client. It's "Hello, I'm from Lora." So the communication is fine, it already works, and this is what we see in the client side. It's the message from the server: "Hello, back to you." So now we have the works communication between two Lora and Arduino. Now if you have the question, how if we want to send a sensor data to the server? So we need a little trick here, because we can just send a string variable. Some sensor generate the integer value, so we have to send the integer to different variable first. Okay, we can read a sensor using an analog read. So imagine you have a analog sensor, so you read the sensor by make an variable, its name sensor value, and then you just analog read and add A0, and then this is the trick. To send the data using Lora, you can send an integer value, so you have to convert the integer to a char. And now we convert data to a char, so we made a char variable named data, and using the itoa function to convert the integer to char. So I will convert the sensor value to variable named data, and then we can send the data in char variable. So it's just like this, and you can upload this new sketch and look what happened. So before we upload, I will monitor the sensor value, so I will just print the value in client and make sure that the value sent is exactly same with the value in the client. Make sure that the data is sent without wrong data. Okay, we can upload the sketch, and this is what happened. We already have the sensor value on the left and sensor send on the right side, so it's clearly it's work fine. Okay, I think that is our tutorial about Lora. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.